It is Olivia here, and today look at my new background. It's this picture of Hatsune Miku. Look at these flowers. I just love these flowers. Okay, now let's move on. And today we are opening the Sakura Miku doll crystal. But for now, make sure to give us a huge thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Sakura Miku. Oh! Okay. Just be gentle.
There's not even instructions. How is that even possible?
Ha ha! This is the best company ever.
Please be gentle. Remember the last time? What happened?
Oh no. And then it's the end of the world.
I kind of like the look. They're so good.
Yeah. Yeah, how did they create the face? This is gonna be easier. How did I? Whoa! Bottom hair, like you can see that's like see-through, which is very cool. Also, there's like cherry blossom flowers on her hair. Wait, cut that, please. Will you?
Maybe.
Yes, please.
Do you like this better than the smaller Sakura Miku?
Yeah, this one's bigger, cuter. She has this tattoo thing that says 01, like Hatsune Miku. Mm, 9 inches. Her arms and legs do not move, but let's keep on doing the stop motion. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye.